First, on Navigator, go to anaconda.com. Down here, download Windows version, download. Now, down here you can see the download for Windows. This is the installer. Double click. Next. I agree. Next. The destination folder. Next. The first to create a start menu shortcuts activated. The second, not recommended, so do not activate. Third, register Anaconda 3 as my default Python. Very nice install. You can use show details. Completed. Next. Next. Okay, I don't want to look at the welcome, not the tutorial. Finish. Okay, now open Anaconda prompt, Anaconda prompt, and create the virtual environment for a specific software. Labelme. If you will install another software, you need to create another virtual environment. For Labelme, I will create a virtual environment only for this software. You can use conda create, use the name, Labelme, and virtual environment for Labelme, specify Python version 3, and search, for example, Python download, and now you can see the versions 3.11, 3.10. Maybe 3.10 is more stable, so you can use 3.10. 3.10, enter. Proceed, enter, or yes, enter. Okay, done, ready. Now install Labelme, but Previously, you created the virtual environment for Labelme. Okay, the same name as the software. So activate the virtual environment for Labelme. So in the virtual environment, you can install the software. Okay, and now Conda activate Labelme. Activate this virtual environment. Enter. Now you can see Labelme is activated. And now install Labelme. Pip install Labelme. Ready. This is the prompt. Successfully built Labelme. Very good. Okay. Now the installation is finished. Close the Anaconda prompt. Now every time you will use the software Labelme, do the following. Go to Anaconda prompt, open the prompt. Now activate the virtual environment. Conda activate Labelme. Enter. Now you can see the virtual environment and use Labelme command. Okay. Now you can see I already have the software and I can use. For an example, I will use this folder, this directory. Uh, okay, I will use this folder, this folder with images. Okay, any name for the folder. Don't worry about this. Enter to the folder. And now you can see some images. And each image has a name, a specific name. Do not modify the image names. Go to Labelme and open directory. Open directory. Okay, and select the directory. Okay. Select folder. And this is the first image of the directory. Down here, the list of images. This is the first. This is the second, third, fourth, and so on. Go to the first. Uh, the first image example use create polygons and click to label, okay, over the image, click, okay, okay, be careful. On the final point, click to finish here and enter the object label. Okay, enter the object label. In this case, I will use throat. Okay, throat. Okay. Now you can see on polygon labels, you can see throat. Now don't forget to save. Go save. Click. This is the name by default. Do not modify. But the extension is JSON. Okay, JSON. Now you can see save, and to verify, you will see this first image and the JSON file. Next image. Click here. Next image. Create polygons. Okay. Also use throat. Okay, the same. Okay. Save. Don't forget to save the name, extension, JSON, save. Verify the second image and the JSON file. Okay, next image, create polygons. Okay, throat. Okay, save, save, verify. Very good. Next, create polygons. Throat, object, and label. Okay, and save. Save, verify. Very nice. Thank you very much.